Always remember to turn on the power to your phone so you can map where it is you're going. Wow, that sucks. We'll have to edit that out. Here's some horse shit. Okay, I have forced the bike into gear 1 or manual gear 1 so I can power slide. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Power slides. Alrighty. Manual for a DCT is fun. Power slides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Power slides. Little ones, fun ones. I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, so crashing is not a good thing. Power slides. Woohoo! Keep in manual for those power slides. Okay, so I have gone up to gear 2. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it back down into gear 1, hitting the minus button, which I now call the fun button. So I can power slide all over the place. Yeah! Woohoo! Now we are in sport mode, but if we want to, we can keep her in manual. And when you're in manual and you press the minus button, you're locked in until the transmission gives you a 2. Which means you can spin out all over the place. It is fun as heck. Yes, it is. Ooh, don't do it when you hit a big rock. Woohoo! Yeah! My voice is breaking up because I'm kind of dehydrated. Yowza, yowza, yowza! Oh, this road is beautiful. Look at this. I love these gigantic branches. They're amazing. Now I'm going too fast for this. Honestly, there's a limit to how safe you can be without knobbies and gravel. And gravel is an equalizer. It'll make anything slippery at any moment. So you really have to have very good balance. That is just amazing. Ooh. I love it. I just love it. Oh my god. Let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna set the camera down, see if I can film something. I'm gonna put her in neutral. Get my kickstand down. I'm gonna see if I can, how fast I can pop the camera off here.
Thank you.